Hello guys, welcome to my channel. So today's video is we're going to cook a chicken with vegetable. So this is chicken breast. We're going to remove all the skin. I'm going to remove this one later and then slice it. And this is broccoli. This is broccoli and this is cauliflower. This is bell pepper, and this is onion, cabbage, carrots, and French beans. This French beans is the baby beans. See, as you can see, guys, this one tastes really good. I like it than the old one. So let's start, and I'm going to cut. Here you go. I cut already. As you can see, the onion is there, the cauliflower, the broccoli, the bell pepper, the baby beans and carrots, and the chicken. I cut into cubes So I'm going to marinate the chicken. I have magic syrup here. I will add magic syrup. Just a little bit. And then I have this one, ground pepper. Okay, add it. There you go. And then I have the fried chicken seasoning. We're going to marinate for a while cooking the vegetable. And after that, I have garlic powder. This is garlic powder. So, garlic powder. Just like that. That's how I cook. Ouch! Then I'll mix it. Then just mix together. Smells good now. You can add oil a little bit, but I don't need to put oil because I don't like too much oil. I'll set aside. I'll put inside the fridge. So I'll just put inside here the fridge for a while. Like that. There you go. I'll put there for a while. Okay. Then let's start cooking. So now I add oil. I'll wait until hot. Let's wait, guys. I didn't put too much. I'm using canola oil. There. Now I will put the onion.
In the medium high only.
I'll add the carrot. cauliflower. Yep. Add this one. Also the pepper. Huwag natin siyang masyado lutuin kasi later takpan lang natin. Hayaan lang siyang maluto. Looking good. I'm going to add the chicken breast. I'll just keep mixing. Later, I'll add the broccoli and cabbage later. And I'll just cover it. Because I don't want to overcook the broccoli. Like that, guys. Oh, smells good now. Just like that. Then now I'm going to add the cabbage and everything. Too big the broccoli. There you go. It's a lot. Too much. I cook too much. And Philip only will eat this. So I'll cut a little bit because this one, the broccoli is too big. I don't want so it's really big. There you go. So, leave it this one and put on the lid. And I'll mix it later. I don't have a lid of this one, so I'll just use this to make it lid. Ow! There's no lid. I'll use the other lid. I cannot cover all. That's alright. It's like that, guys. I cannot cover it all. How about the other one? There you go. I'll leave it for 1 minute, and then after that turn off the fire so that there's a juice. Dinner. This is our dinner tonight. Hope guys you like it, and please click the like if you enjoy watching. There you go. You can add salt, guys, if you want salt, but I'm not going to add salt. This would be enough. It depends it depends what you like. So it's done. So mix. There you go.